We divide 748 by 4 in long division method. 4 times 1 is 4. On subtracting, we get 3. So this 3 is less than 4. So we put down this 4 and it is 34. 4 times 8 is 32. On subtracting, we get 2. So now this 2 is less than 4. So again we put down this 8 and it is 28. 4 times 7 is 28. On subtracting, we get 0. So 748 divided by 4 is 187. So this much for today and thanks for watching.